Today, we're echoing badly.
Very badly. There's no soundproofing in this garage.
But also, the lighting's better. So that's cool.
We'll exchange one problem for another.
I got a comment about, did I just dab and should I delete my account? So, this one's for you. Today, we're gonna be doing some aftermarket halo headlights on the Honda Civic, which is parked outside, because this time we're actually gonna do some before and after shots, which is sick. They're similar to the ones that we put on Noah's Celica, so.
They're actually almost exactly the same. They're just the shape of Honda Civic headlights.
Pretty much. So let's get into this.
Unboxing time. Hey, bitch, get over here and unbox this shit.
Your mom. Ready? Boom!
Oh,
Sheesh. Look at that. 130 bucks on eBay will get you a pair of these. That's actually not bad because it even comes with bulbs. That's a win, dude. Instructions? Yeah, I think not. Oh, actually.
All right, let's get started.
No.
But
hey, so check this out. Unlike Noah's Celica, we can't just peel back the corners of this bumper. There are 2 mounting points on the bottom of the headlights, so this bumper has to come off. Luckily, it's just, I think 1 or 2 clips along the top, and then all the ones along the bottom. And I haven't bottomed it out enough yet to rip most of those off, so unfortunately, we're gonna have to take them all out. Honestly, this floor, it doesn't feel as like cold and dead as the one in my last garage. This one feels a bit better. I don't know, just when I'm rolling around on the floor considering my career choices, it hurts less, you know what I mean? Are you done? Oh, shit! Are you still attached? Ah, fuck. I messed it up.
what did you do?
I guess I missed one. Where'd my fucking tool go? This garage isn't even dirty yet. How am I already losing shit? Oh, come out. Fuck. God damn it. Fucking. Shit. Alright. Now you just went and made me angry. Fuck, do it. Yes. Oh, you were recording. They weren't supposed to see that part of the work, dude. What the fuck?
All right, we got the bumper off.
She gone. Well, now we just gotta take the headlights out. So check this out. We got 1 mounting point.
2 mounting point.
2 mounting point.
Yeah,
3
right
mounting
there.
point, and then 4 mounting points somewhere over here.
Oh, I see it.
And then after that, we'll disconnect all the harnesses, and then we'll start fucking splicing our new stuff in.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we just transfer this bracket over to this guy. By removing this 1 bolt. And then we'll have this guy ready to go. This kit actually came with all the bulbs. The one that Noah got was missing, I think, the turn signal bulb, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This one comes with all of them. And it was like almost $100 cheaper on eBay. It just goes to show, like, Honda Civics, especially older ones, they just have cheap parts that are actually okay. Like this one, it's the same quality, at least it feels the same quality as the ones we put in Noah's car. So buy yourself a Civic if you want to modify something cheap, honestly. Okay, so when you turn the light switch on to the first notch, just like we did on Noah's car, I want the halos to come on rather than having to have them come on with the headlights. I discovered that both of these control both of the bulbs that come on. This one has 3 pins because it's a double filament bulb that acts as a turn signal and also a running light. And this little guy, the 2-pin that acts as a running light. This is the one that I want to splice into because it just has 2 wires and it's gonna be really easy to get them right. Which one is positive, which one is negative. and I don't run the risk of fucking up my blinker. So, we will get back with you when we have spliced them together. There's what I did, guys. I cut the black wire in half, the ground, and I ran them into the same connector there. Then I took my red wire and did the same thing, ran them into the same side, and then I just took the two whites that came off the headlight and the two grounds that came off the headlight, and I plugged them in, and that'll make everything turn on at the same time. Now I'm just going to use some electric tape to tape them B-words up, and after that, everything should come on appropriately, hopefully. We'll see.
We're gonna see if this works.
Bonk.
Hey, it worked! You got the orange light and then the blinker on and then the two halos.
And the corner LED.
And the corner LED.
Oh,
Ooh.
hell yeah.
Hell yeah. This is gonna look
That's
bad
fucking
as
sick,
fuck,
dude.
bro.
Alright, let's connect that headlight, see how it looks, and then do the other side.
Hell yeah.
Got them all hooked up. Number 1. Number 2.
Nice.
Sick. Wait, do the brights work? I should probably check.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
hell
they do.
Yeah. That's just an all-round dub, dude. Also, I just noticed that for some reason the stereo comes on when I turn the headlights on.
Hell yeah, dude. Just
Not gonna address that.
Just an extra feature.
Yeah, dude, if I ever want to listen to music and I forgot my keys, but I somehow got into my car, I'll turn on my headlights. Hell yeah.
When you are spending only $130 on headlights, there are some things you need to be careful for, like...
Well, the little LED that goes in the corner, he's a little fucked up. And the ring that he's supposed to go into, no, I can't.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that silver ring in there is off center. And I can't center it enough to get this fucker to go in there.
Yeah, we're gonna keep working on this, see if we can figure it out.
It's not happening, dude.
Yeah, it's not happening.
We got it in. We had to do some weird aiming, and I had to use a screwdriver to like try and get it most of the way in, but it's still not all the way in, but it's also not going to come out. Quality assurance is not guaranteed, but the most minor bulb in the most minor corner that doesn't matter, I can deal with. We got them on.
Got the second one installed, we're testing now.
Oops, there's number 1.
Alright, yep.
Everything good? Even that LED in the corner that's fucked up?
Yep.
Sick. Both headlights?
Yep. Yep.
Sick, dude. You guys will not believe what I just found and somehow did not find when I had the bumper off.
Wait.
They had a hidden key in the front bumper that was wire tied on that I didn't find when I had the bumper off, but I just found it. I was always hoping that I would have a second key to this car. Now I fucking do. They had it wire tied poorly under the front bumper of the car.
Well, I mean, clearly it wasn't that poorly, it stayed on. And by the looks of it, it's been there for a fucking while.
Yeah, I doubt the previous owner, because I asked him, I was like, does it have a spare key? No, not that I've ever seen. Well, no shit, dude. It was under your bumper. Holy fuck. That is iconic. Let's go. Got our bumper in. Now we're just gonna close the hood and see how bad our fucking fitment is.
So this is what they currently look like. Ooh. Those are the brights. That's the normal. Or, sorry, low beams.
Garbage.
Garbage! So we're gonna fix it. Holy shit. That is so much brighter.
Yeah. And it looks like they're aimed okay too.
Yeah.
They might be a little low, but that's fine. I won't piss anybody off. Dude, those things look fucking sick.
That looks mean.
That's dope, dude. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Didn't tell me what you. Thanks for watching. What's up? Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more Civic content on the $500 Civic. This is a train wreck. More Civic content may come someday. I don't know, but.
We need to practice our improv, dude. That was terrible.
I wasn't expecting you to throw it to me like that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more Civic content, make sure to subscribe. And see y'all next time.
You gotta leave that in, dude.
I'm going to.